Hello everyone and welcome to Sparkle English. Today's mini lesson is on the difference between hour and hour. It's very common for English language learners to get confused how to spell or use these words correctly, since they are homophones and sound exactly the same. Let's learn the difference between these two words. Hour, spelled O-U-R, is the possessive pronoun form of we. Let's look at some examples of hour in a sentence. We should really start studying for our exams. Our father is the best. You are both invited to our wedding. Is this present theirs or ours? Now let's review the word hour, spelled H-O-U-R. You may notice that the H in hour is silent, and we do not pronounce it. An hour is a period of time that lasts for 60 minutes. Let's look at some examples. I can only chat on the phone for an hour. There are 24 hours in a day. I'll come over to your house in about an hour. It takes a few hours to get there by train. Now let's look at some mixed examples using both hour and hour. Our parents live around an hour away by car. You can come to our house in a few hours for a barbecue. Our friend just landed in Australia after a 19-hour flight. Now it's your turn to practice. Write sentences using hour and hour in the comment section of this video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos on how to improve your level of English. Thanks for watching.